Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two flagship smartphones, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both devices are packed with cutting-edge features, but which one stands out as the smartphone of the year? Let's find out. Starting with design, the iPhone 16 Pro features a sleek titanium frame offering durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. Its 6.9-inch OLED display provides vibrant colors and sharp visuals. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a robust build with an integrated S Pen, enhancing productivity for users who value stylus input. Its 6.8-inch AMOLED screen delivers exceptional brightness and clarity. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro is powered by Apple's A18 Pro chip, built on a 3-nanometer process, ensuring top-tier performance and energy efficiency. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, offers impressive speed and multitasking capabilities. In benchmark tests, both devices perform exceptionally well, handling demanding applications and games with ease. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the advancements in both smartphones. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 48-megapixel main sensor, complemented by an all-new ultra-wide camera, and introduces a camera control button for quick access to shooting modes. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, sports a 200-megapixel main camera, offering remarkable detail, along with versatile ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. In various tests, both cameras deliver stunning photos, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra slightly edging out in zoom capabilities. Battery performance is crucial for daily use. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts the longest battery life ever in an iPhone, thanks to its efficient A18 Pro chip and optimized power management. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a 5,000 mAh battery, providing substantial endurance. While both phones support fast charging, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers quicker recharge times due to its 45-watt wired charging capability. On the software front, the iPhone 16 Pro runs iOS 18, introducing enhanced customization, personalization, and privacy features. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra operates on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI, offering a user-friendly experience and unique functionalities like Samsung DeX for a desktop-like experience. Additionally, the S24 Ultra's integrated S Pen adds a layer of versatility for note-taking and creative tasks. Pricing is always a consideration. Both smartphones are premium devices with price tags to match. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at a higher base price compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but both offer configurations that can significantly increase the cost depending on storage and additional features. In conclusion, both the Apple iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are exceptional smartphones, each excelling in different areas. The iPhone 16 Pro impresses with its sleek design, powerful performance, and user-friendly iOS ecosystem. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with its versatile camera system, integrated S Pen, and expansive feature set. Your choice between the two will ultimately depend on your personal preferences and ecosystem alignment. Thanks for joining us for this comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video.